baby. Do the puzzle. Show Gray how you do the puzzle. Where's that piece go? Put it in. Oh. Put that piece in. Very good. Yay! Now do this piece. Where's this piece go?
Where's it go?
Where's it go? Very good. No, that's close. Right there.
Good job.
Good job.
All right.
I know. Do this piece. Where's the circle go?
Good
Right
job.
there. Yay! Where's the triangle?
Yay! Where's the triangle
Where
go?
does the triangle go, Amy? Look. Do this piece. Where does that piece go? That one's tough.
Close.
Right there. Yay! One more.
Where's that one
Where
go?
does that one go?
Good job.
Good job.